Alrighty, Math 112, Chapter 2, Set Theory, Chapter 2, Section 3, Venn diagrams, using them to study set operations. So we're going to have to shade in the homework. And on this page, notice the Roman numerals are representing the regions of the sets, the subsets in the universal set. And the homework's going to want to know what the shaded areas are, and you're going to have to either shade them or tell them the Roman numerals of the proper shading. And De Morgan's law is if you take this apostrophe and distribute it through the parentheses, you have to flip the symbol. So this set looks the same as this set. So when it's a union, it turns into an intersections of knots, okay? If it's a intersection and it's not an intersection, when you distribute this, it's going to be a union. So these are equivalent. So let's see what those look like. Let's take this one here first. Let's see. A and B, the union of A and B would be all of this. So what's not that is just the universal set. So the answer to that one is just the region 4 would be shaded for what's not the union of A and B. Okay. This one is the intersection of A and B, not. So not the intersection of it. So where's the intersection of A and B? That's the intersection of A and B. So not that would be everything else. So all they're looking for is a 2 there. All right. Let's make up another one. How about not A, union with B? Not A, union with B. I don't want to start drawing yet. I'm trying to remind myself, not A is all of this. And union with B, what would that give me? So everything is shaded except for right here. So all of this, because that's shaded for B, and all of this over here. So that is all the sets except 1. So 2, 3. I don't think they care if they put it in order or not. I just do that one when it's easy. You could also just look at it as the not A is 2, 3, and make your own roster list. 4, and B, especially when it's a union, although if it's an intersection, you can compare the two. B is what, 2 and 3? Oh, wait. Yeah, not, okay, wait a minute, think about it. Not A, oops, I shouldn't have put the 2 in there. That's the problem. I'm thinking. It's not A is 3 and 4. Okay. Therefore, a union of these sets would be 2, 3, 4, and don't write the 3 twice. Okay, you can see why I do the pictures better. I'm better at the pictures than just the list, but you need to do both. So I just try to confirm or check one with the other. Okay, that way I'm not wrong if I'm careful. All right, let's try to go to 3 circles now. All right, there's lots more regions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you need to, put a little, if you're not up on your Roman numerals, put a number next to them, okay? Try to learn them for these because you'll have to make up a set that has these in there. All right, so let's make up something weird with a circle and then try to work back. Um, what if this was shaded, this whole thing here, and this little piece right here? Well, that certainly looks like all of A, right? It's all of A and something. All of A as well as something else. So you might, it's not an intersection though. It's all of A for sure. So the way to keep all of A is to have a union of A and something else. So the union of A and the intersection of B and C is probably where we're going here. So the way this works is you put the intersection in here. So if you were drawing it, you would do that first, and then you would add the all of A. Okay, so that actually works. So they're either going to ask you what that is, or they're going to ask you the roster list for the regions that are shaded. Okay, so to save time, I'm just going to use the numbers. But in the homework, you'll have to list the Roman numerals. Okay, probably. Definitely. If they're using Roman numerals, you have to use Roman numerals in the set. I'm trying to save some time here. What if this was shaded? This looks like a bunch of intersections, doesn't it? There's a lot going on in A, so maybe where A intersects, how do we get all of them? B and C are involved. I'm just going to write B and C to start with, and then think about it for a minute. Where do B and C intersect here in both of these places, but it doesn't want this one. So it would have to be an intersection where it intersects. Let's think about that one. Let me double check. That is the intersection of A. Wait a minute. If it was the intersection of A, B, and C, A, B, and C, you get just the middle. So the intersection with B, let me try it this way for a minute. Intersection with B and the intersection with C, but it has to be in parentheses. Where does A intersect? Oh, where does A maybe intersect the union of B and C? Let's try it. So obviously I'm just better at the picture thing. Let me go this way. I just said this. This is my first guess. So there's no reason you can't trial and get an error kind of thing. So A, B, and C, if this is A, and the union of B and C, where does, oh, I see. All right, so let me do that again. So this is here. So this is A. Where does that intersect? Let me check my answer, which I said was the union of B and C, which is here. And this is all of A. So the only place they intersect is right here. That's it. That's actually it. Okay. So that answer is what? 2, 4, and 5. Okay. That was a hard one. I saw this one in there. Alex has quite a deep, and the more you word bank, problem bank, and the more you do it, the more difficult it can get. All right, where does the union of A and B intersect with the union of A and C? So one way to do it is to break it down, U, B, and write what those are. Where's the intersection of A and B? That is a lot. Here, maybe a picture would be faster. Union of A and B is all of this and all of that. Maybe I do pictures because it's faster. I don't know. Where is A union C? A union C is all of this and all of that. All right, so where do those two pictures intersect? Not that part. There's definitely an A going on here. Intersect. A and B. A and C. So, and the intersection would definitely be A again. And B, it looks like not C, not here, but the intersection here. Did that turn out to be the same as the other one? Sorry for all the noise in the background here. A and B, A and C intersect. Looks good. So if you find one you think you disagree with, please let me know. There's no chance I'm getting all of these completely right. I will practice some more on another video.